with Chef Puck. We bring you the good stuff. All right, today, as you can see, I'm doing boneless, thick cut pork chops. All right. Basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna smoke these. All right. Probably two I'm gonna smoke and one I'm not. All right. So let me get my area set up and my knives and everything else, and I shall return. Hey, okay, welcome back. All right, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna trim the fat off these. This fat cap off the pork chops is here itself. All right, I'm gonna do one, and then I'll do the rest off camera. All right, very simple of trimming. Try not to remove too much of the meat. Alright, and that looks pretty good. Alright, let me finish up the rest and I shall return. Alright, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to tenderize, tenderize them just a little bit with just a fork. Just a fork. Alright. Do the other side. Alright, let me finish up the rest and I shall return. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to season it, but I like to season it with the Pork Perfect seasoning. You can get this seasoning at Walmart. It's really, really good. Alright, so there's a lot of good stuff in it. Yo, yeah, baby. Gotta make sure when I go back to Walmart, get me some more. Do all the sides. That's one. Two. And the third one. All right, so I shall return when I get the griddle set up and my portable smoker set up, and I'll be right back. All right, everybody, this is the portable smoker I was talking to you about. Alright, I'm using hickory wood. Alright, so that'll burn down, but what I'm going to do now, alright, I have the pork chops. Here they are. So, put them on. Alright. And I have a meat thermometer that I want to insert into it, so I'll be right back. Hey, what's up, everybody? All right, what I have here right now, as you see, it's starting to smoke up now. I also have a Solace Thermo. All right, it's made by Tenergy. All right, this thing is supposed to be really good, but we're gonna see. All right, I got the probe in already, and it's set to 145 degrees internal. All right, so here it is on the app on the phone here. Right now it's at 57 degrees internally right now. All right, so I'm gonna close it up and then I'm gonna let it do its thing. So let's close it up, and there we go. And she will smoke. All right, so I'll be back very shortly. We can monitor the temperature on the phone, so we can see where it stands at. And I also turned the griddle on one burner here to low. All right, so we'll keep a, a check on the internal temperature and the temperature of the meat. So we shall return. All right, everybody, welcome back. We're cooking with Chef Puff. We bring you the good stuff. All right, she's been up. We got the temperature up to right now. It was 145 degrees, but we had some technical difficulties here. All right, so here we go. She's been smoking for a bit. All right, she's up to temperature. So what I'm going to do now, I need to pull the probe. I definitely need to pull this probe. Oh, yeah. She's done. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'll move this to the side. Move all this to the side here. And now what I'm going to do now, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Everybody, I'm going to hit it with a little bit of olive oil here. Okay. Oh, and by the way, this is my new 22-inch griddle. This thing, I am going on a camping trip, and we'll be using it on the camping trip. Now, what I'm going to do, now all I want to do is give this pork chop some color. All right. Look at that. We're going to keep the smoke on here. All right. Excuse me, everybody. Okay, now what I'm going to do now, my griddle is still on low. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to hit him with some baby rays. Not much. Just a little bit to sweeten her up. Whoop. That was a lot. All right. They look fantastic. All right. And I'll hit it with the last little bit of barbecue sauce, baby Ray's. Just a little bit. Now what I really like to do, I like to turn them on their side. Oh, knock them all down. And I'll take my spatula, get my little press here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Give them a little press. All right, let me finish this up, and as soon as I'm finished up and I plate them, I'll be right back. All right, everybody, this is the finished product of the smoked pork chops. They were smoked with hickory wood, hickory pellets. All right, and the temperature on these here is at 145 degrees. We also used the Synergy device to monitor the temperature, the internal temperature of the pork itself, of these thick cut boneless pork chops. All right, so if you like this here, if you like this this video, please subscribe, ring the bell, and give me thumbs up. But I also want to say is that with this griddle here, that it's a good investment. It's not expensive, and plus this smoke tube. All right, you can find all these items on Amazon here, and she still has a lot of life in her with smoke. You just put the pellets in, and you light it with your blowtorch, and you can smoke anything. All right, so without further ado, y'all guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Where the hell was your head? Hey, what's up, everybody? All right, food is all done. The smoked thick cut pork chops, boneless pork chops are done. All right, so but we're gonna cut into it. Ooh, that's hot. Cut into it, and we'll see how that portable smoker works. All right, beautiful. That is oh, that's so juicy. I don't know if you can see the juice. I can, but that is beautiful. That is beautifully done. All right. Now the proof is in the pudding. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say, this is freaking delicious. All right. Yes. If you can follow this recipe, very simple, a little smoke device, you can have a Blackstone griddle or any griddle. You can have this all year round. Shut the front door. This is, well, once again, please subscribe, ring the bell, give me thumbs up. I would really appreciate it so I can continue making these videos. And y'all guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I'm going to enjoy it. Oh, that is so good. But any old way, guys, God bless you, and y'all have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.